Kopar Cupola Valve is a multi-purpose valve for bulk material handling applications. What is special about the cupola valve is its simple structure, which makes it easy to service and install into any system. We've designed the cupola valve to wear down as little as possible, which saves you maintenance costs. Its inflatable seal is designed to be changed quickly and easily on-site. An automatic alarm function notifies you when it's time for a seal change. An innovative mechanical delay solution ensures that the seal depressurizes before the cupola opens. The cupola opens completely away from the material flow, so cupola wear is kept at a moderate level. The cupola is also detachable, so it's easy to replace, even on-site. The cupola valve has a range of options. It comes in 3 standard sizes, and adapters can be used to install any size cupola valve into pipelines of all sizes. Centralized air and electricity inputs make cupola valves easy to connect even to existing systems. Cupola valves come in several material types. For example, acid-proof valves are available, and we even make valves that can be fitted in potentially explosive atmospheres. The Kopar Cupola Valve is designed for particularly demanding conditions, but it also works great in lighter applications where ultimate tightness is required. The Kopar Cupola Valve is an absolutely tight dome valve designed to wear moderately and to save maintenance costs. Kopar, handling like no other.